Hello, this is a demo of the creator page in Paper Playground, where we will create a musical instrument that you can play by moving papers in less than 5 minutes. This is using version 0.0.3 of Paper Playground, which is in early stages of development, so please keep in mind that things will change and improve in the future. In this simple demo, each paper will have a musical chord that is played every time the paper moves. Here's a preview of what we will make. Let's get started. The Creator interface guides your creation with the Model View Controller design pattern, a powerful pattern used in many ways when creating software. Check out our other intro videos to learn more about this. Our first step is to think about the components or the fundamental building blocks of what we need in each of Model, View, and Controller to make this system work. In this case, we want each paper to play a sound when it moves. To track where the paper is, we will create a position model component. To change the position so that it moves with the paper, we will need a position controller component. And to play a sound, we will need a sound view component that plays every time the position model component changes. I think that's it. Let's make these components. First, let's make a new program. This will be a paper program in Paper Playground. Each program contains its own components, which will generally be created when the paper is detected by a camera and removed when the paper is removed from the camera's view. We will start with our position model component. Press Create Component on the program to find the Model tab. Under this tab, you can select the data type you want to create. We are interested in the position of the paper, so we will go to Position, give our component name, and create it. Next, let's create our controller. We create a new component and go to the Controller tab. There are a few different categories of controllers, and we are interested in moving the position with the paper, so we select the Paper tab. Let's make the position match the center of the paper. Let's give our controller a name and create it. Our program display shows our new components and indicates a relationship between the controller and the model. Finally, let's go to the View tab and create a sound component. Since I want to use my own sounds instead of the preloaded ones, I will go to the Upload tab and drag my sound file into the Dropbox. Finally, we have to declare when the sound should play. This is done by writing a little bit of logic in JavaScript in this Custom Function tab. We select the model components we want to control the sound. The interface shows us what values we can use in the function and what functions we have access to control the behavior of the sound. I want to play the sound when the position changes, so I will select that component. This custom function is called when any of our selected model components change. That is exactly what we want for this sound, so our custom function can just be play. I'll give our sound component a name and create it. Let's save our system and send it to the playground. Sending it to the playground will convert this system into the scenery stack and Paper Playground JavaScript actually needed to run our system. Let's give it a try and go to the camera and board pages of Paper Playground to play with it. Wonderful. For all of the other chords, we can repeat this process. Maybe someday we'll be able to easily duplicate programs, but for now I'll speed up making a few more manually for the final demo. Done. Let's save and send to the playground and try it out.